Students, yesterday I taught you about multiplication of decimal numbers. Today I am going to teach you dividing a decimal by a whole number. That means dividend will be decimal numbers and division will be a whole number. So, for example, 39.168 divided by 12. The given number is decimal number and by which you are going to divide, that is a whole number. So how can you divide this? You should use the long method of division by this 12. Before point there is also whole number 39 and here 12. You can't take the quotient in 3, that is 3 is less than 12, so you will take both numbers 39 and you will read the table of 12 which can be equal to 39 either less than 39, that means nearest to 39, not more than 39. So 12 3 ja 36 and 12 4 ja 48. 12 3 ja 36 and 12 4 ja 48. 48 is greater than 39, but 36 is nearest to 39, so the quotient will be 3, that is 36. Now subtract it. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, 3 minus 3 is equal to nothing. When you will bring the another number from above, you should, if there is decimal point, you should give here decimal point. After that, you will bring the another number. You can see here is 31 and here is 12, which is greater than 12. So you will read the table of 12 to bring 31 either less than 31. In this way you can say, you can read the table of 12 up to 2 times. 12 2 ja 24 and 12 3 ja already 36, which is greater than 31. So now subtract it. 1 is less than 4, so you should take the carry from 3. So it will be 11. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. And here left 2, so 2 minus 2 is nothing. Now you should bring the other number, second decimal part, and you will read the table of 12. So 12 6 ja 72 and 12 8 ja 84. 84 is greater than 76, so you will take up to 6 times and you will subtract now. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 7 minus 7 is nothing. Now you will bring the third decimal number 8, that is 48. Now you will read the table to bring the 48. So 12 4 ja 48. Now 8 minus 8 nothing and 4 minus 4 0. So it will be your quotient. So in this way, when a decimal number is divided by a whole number, next process is to divide a whole number to divide a whole number by a decimal number. By a decimal number. Suppose that here given 15 divided by 1.2. 15 is whole number and 1.2 is decimal number. In this sum you have seen decimal number is divided by whole number. Here you can see whole number is divided by decimal number. So first of all you should write in a fraction to remove the decimal number like this. For this, never the division part will be in decimal. Division part decimal में नहीं होता है. So you should remove this decimal, and for this you have to multiply by the decimal parts, number of decimal parts. So you will bring 1, and after decimal there is only one decimal part. So you will increase 1 0. यानी डेसिमल के बाद जितने नंबर्स होंगे उतना 0 1 पे लगाएंगे. एंड नाउ you will multiply this number. 15 10 जा 150 upon 12 10 जा 120. Now you should count the decimal parts and put here. In this way this number will be 150 by 12. Now decimal parts is removed. Now you will divide 150 by 12. 12 1 ja 12. 5 minus 2 3. 1 minus 1 0. Now bring this 0. Now 5 2 ja 24. Carry 10 minus 4 6. 2 minus 2 nothing. If there is no another number to bring near 6, so you will give the point and you will increase 0. So it will be read 60, and you can say 12 5 ja 60. Nothing is left. This will be the quotient. In this way you see here when a whole number is given and decimal number is going to be divided the whole number, how you can remove the decimal parts from the division part. If there is 2 decimal parts, after decimal you should multiply by 100 in both number, numerator and denominator. Number of decimal parts will be there, number of zeros will be 1. दशमलव के बाद जितनी संख्या होगी उतने 1 पे 0 लगाएंगे और न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में उसका मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. हर हाल में हमको डेसिमल पार्ट्स जो डिनोमिनेटर में है उसको हटाने की ज़रूरत होती है. न्यूमरेटर में डेसिमल पार्ट्स आगे या पीछे लेफ्ट या राइट में रिमूव कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हमें डिनोमिनेटर्स के डेसिमल पार्ट्स को हटाना अनिवार्य होता है. Dear students, sometimes the given number is divided by 10, 100, 1000. So how will you divide? Suppose that the given number is 45 divided by 10. So how will you divide? You will write this number 45 by 10 like this, and you will put the decimal in numerator parts number of zeros. There is 1 0 over 1, so you will count 1 place of digits from right side and you will put the decimal. Suppose that the same number is going to divided by 100. Here you are seeing the given number is going to be divided by 100 and there is 2 zeros over 1. So you will take two numbers like this 1 2, and after that you will put the decimal point, and if there is no further digits you will put 0. Like if there is same number is divided by 1000, there will be 30 like this. 45 by 1000. So you will write 45 here, and you should 3 digits, and but here is only 2 digits. So you will increase 1, 2 and there 3, 1 0 more, and after that you will put the decimal point. Suppose that decimal number is divided here 4.5 by 1000. So how will you write this number? First of all, you will write here 45, the above number, but this number, before this number there is point. So you need 3 more digits to bring 5 left side. So you will count from 4, not from 5, because that number is already the decimal parts. So you should count from the whole parts over number of zeros, 3 zeros here. So you will take 3 digits from 4 to left side, and you will increase 2 more zeros, and after that you will give the point, and before it you will put the 0. In this way you see how will you divide the number by 10, 100, 1000. Whole number are decimal number. So you should follow these rules and regulation. Now I am going to give you the some homework solved by you. So solve and try to do yourself to increase your knowledge. Now solve the given questions yourself in your notebook and try to find out the quotient correctly. Thank you.